अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी करो और बगल वाला घंटी भी दबा देना।
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna make a rose for you all guys, for all my loved ones with whom we are separated just due to this COVID situation. So without any further delay, let's begin the video.
Firstly, I'm doing a rough sketch of the rose, the stems, the sepals and all the leaves which are present. Lightening the previous rough sketch by the help of eraser, and now making the final sketch of the petals, leaves and the stem. Starting with the yellow color and then moving on to the red. So first I'm giving the light shade and then moving to the dark shades of the red step by step. And blending the red color with the yellow color and giving a soft look for the petals. For showing the shadows, I've used the mixture of red and purple. This is not a black color. I have not used here black for the petals. And same as I'm doing on the right hand side of the petal. First I made the surface wet and then I'm adding the colors. But on the other hand, in this petal, I'm using the concentrated colors and the paper is dry, so the color is coming out rich. Same process I'm using to fill the colors in rest of the petals. Just to make the colors more vibrant, I am giving a second layer in some of the petals. Now making the sepals with dark green and then light green, filling and blending the colors evenly. Now is the turn for the stem. In the stem, I am filling with brown colors and making the dark areas first, and then I will apply a light shade of brown. So in the dark areas, I am showing the shadows and all the ridges of the stem. And lastly, I'm applying the pencil colors, so to pop up the color and make the leaves much brighter than as usual. and applying these colors for the petals of the roses also.